Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto markets. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Phantasma SOUL, which is a layer 1 proof-of-stake blockchain built from the ground up, designed specifically for gaming. After we take our deep dive into the Phantasma Chain and the SOUL coin, I will be sharing my price prediction for this year of 2022. If that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the very end of this video. And if you're new to Crypto Empire, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And let the gains be with you. So to start out this video, let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap. We can see at this moment in time we have just over a $2 trillion market cap, with Bitcoin trading at $43,644. Now Phantasma SOUL is all the way at rank number 295 with a market cap of $186.1 million. Now it's important to note with Phantasma that Phantasma is the chain, it's the blockchain, and SOUL is the coin used for governance and staking. The current circulating supply of the SOUL coin is 104.1 million, and the total supply matches that. So with this, I don't expect any major sell-offs from early token and coin investors, which we see a lot, especially in the gaming sector of cryptocurrency, because a lot of venture capitalist firms love to invest in these play-to-earn gaming blockchains as well as game coins tokens as well. And it is a problem with the pre-sale dumping on the open market, and you don't have to worry about that with Phantasma. Now keep in mind, there is an unlimited amount of supply. There is a 3% inflation rate on the SOUL coin. Also, SOUL has a dual token ecosystem. So if you stake SOUL, you actually earn rewards in KCal, which is Phantasma Energy. And the Phantasma Energy token has a rank in the market cap of 1,405 with a $6.1 million market cap. Now KCal is the energy. It's what you use to pay for gas on the blockchain. It powers all transactions. So everything you do is going to require KCal on Phantasma, and the SOUL coin is used to stake as well as for governance. Now the all-time high of SOUL happened 2 months ago actually at $3.96. It is currently down 54% from that all-time high. Now looking at the top exchanges where you can actually get your hands on Phantasma SOUL, KuCoin and Gate.io are your best bets. That is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Now let's get into what Phantasma truly is at its core. So Phantasma is a fully interoperable, decentralized, feature-rich blockchain. Its innovative staking mechanism, dual token system, sustainable tokenomics model, and advanced eco-friendly smart NFTs. We'll be getting into that in just 1 second. The chain is designed to be used for digital goods and services for communications, entertainment, marketplaces, and on-chain storage solutions for decentralized application creators and enterprise clients. So its mainnet did go live in October of 2019, and it has proven to be the platform of choice for gaming and NFTs. I said in the intro, it was built from the ground up, designed specifically for gaming, for play-to-earn blockchain gaming. So it has a very strong use case going forward. So we can go ahead and read further, not only because of its low minting and transaction fees, but also because of its smart NFT technology that has been built on chain level, and it's pledged to become the first certified carbon negative blockchain. So it does check that box. Now let's go ahead and talk about the smart NFTs before we take further of a deep dive into Phantasma. So smart NFTs are NFTs with dynamic properties that can change based on certain conditions. They provide game developers the opportunity to make dynamic in-game items decentralized, which is not possible with traditional NFTs. So I cover Levana Protocol and the Levana Dragons a lot here on the channel. These are very similar to the smart NFTs because the dragon eggs that I've showed many times on the channel have evolved over time. They started off as a meteor. You crack the meteor, you either get dust or a dragon egg, and then from there, if you get a dragon egg, you can nest it to get a nested dragon egg, and then it's going to hatch into a baby dragon. So this is what an evolutionary NFT is. It evolves over time, and you're going to be seeing pretty much every single NFT play-to-earn game incorporate these smart NFTs or some variation where they evolve over time going forward. So smart NFTs also allow for time-based NFTs, multi-layered NFTs, infused NFTs, and locked content within an NFT that can only be accessed by the owner of the NFT. The NFTs can be minted on demand at a fraction of the cost compared to other blockchains. So a lot of enticing stuff here when it comes to transactional fees, smart NFTs with Phantasma. And KCal, like I said, this is the energy of the blockchain. It is required to mint the NFTs, do any transactions, and it's a very efficient, fast chain. And KCal, you also get rewarded by staking the Phantasma coin. Now, looking at the Phantasma website, we can see right here that we talked about how it is built for gaming, and they have something called the Pavilion. The Pavilion is essentially their gaming studio. This is where they host many different titles, many different games. They have developers that can launch their title within the Pavilion. So this, I showed Gala Games as well as Ultra UOS in a previous video just a few days ago. It's very similar to those where they have a studio with multiple titles within their Pavilion. Also, the NFTs as well as the smart NFTs we already did discuss, as well as the dual token economy. So they do work with some pretty big brands in the industry, and you can get it on PancakeSwap, Uniswap, as well as KuCoin and Gate.io. Now, looking at the Phantasma Twitter, you can see they aren't huge yet. They aren't too well known about, but I think that will be changing going forward as play-to-earn crypto gaming does continue to evolve and get more popular when people truly understand the opportunities that lie within the play-to-earn gaming sector of crypto. Now let's talk a little bit about the team as well as some details, some facts about Phantasma. So they are infinitely scalable. They have an infinite number of side chains. Their main chain can do 5,000 transactions per second, and they have an infinite number of side chains that can also all do 5,000 transactions per second. So it's infinitely scalable. You don't have to worry about congestion, high gas fees. All that is out the window. All those problems are solved with Phantasma. So they currently have 300,000 minted NFTs on their blockchain. And at this moment in time, 55.64% of all of the SOUL coins in circulation are staked. And like I also did mention with Phantasma, that there can be no lockup, no vesting period ends where a bunch of tokens are released to early venture capitalists that can just go ahead and sell on the market. So 55% of the circulating supply is staked, of the total supply is staked, and there can be no huge dumping by early investors. So that in and of itself is very good compared to a lot of the other projects, especially in the gaming sector, the play-to-earn blockchain gaming sector of cryptocurrency. Now, in regards to the team, they do have Sergio Flores as the founder. Sergio is a senior developer, smart contract expert, and blockchain consultant. He has built many games in the past with a lot of success. He definitely is a competent person to be the founder and leader of this project. So it has a very strong leadership, and you can see that they are doing a good job, and I do expect that to continue going forward. Now, we also talked about the Pavilion. This is their gaming hub. This is where all of their titles are listed that players can go ahead and choose from and play. They do have quite a bit of games here already, and this is only going to be added to. They did just release this partnership with DS Automobiles for their racing game 22 Racing Series. So this is Phantasma's new racing game. Definitely keep an eye out on the Pavilion for new releases, and if you want to get started playing, go to app.pavilionhub.com to check it out for yourself, get involved, try it for yourself. Also, the Pavilion on Twitter, follow them if you want updates in regards to Phantasma going forward. Now, before we hop into the price chart and talk about the price action as well as the price prediction, let's also take a look at the Ghost Marketplace. This is Phantasma's NFT marketplace built on chain, and it looks just like a lot of other NFT marketplaces. Like we already discussed, there's over 300,000 minted NFTs on Phantasma already, and that number is really expected to go exponential as this blockchain does become more adopted and get more popular. Now that you know a lot about Phantasma, let's go ahead and take a look at the price chart to see what has been happening with the price. So we are looking at a daily price chart right now, and I'm going to jump it out to a 3-day to start my analysis. And I want to show you how since July of 2021, when the real crypto gaming explosion started, Phantasma was down here at around 12-15 cents. From there, it went on a major uptrend, and it peaked out at $3.96, and that was a 3,000% gain from the bottom in about 6 months' time, give or take. So very good performance in 2021. Now it has broken the macro uptrend line from July of 2021. So a macro trend line break like that, you expect a fairly decent correction to follow suit. And from there, we have already corrected from the highs to the lows about 68%, currently sitting about 52% from the all-time highs. Now, if I drop this down back to a daily price chart, you can see that after we broke down, we did find a support structure over here at around $1.25, $1.30. That's just here on the chart. And from this $1.25 bottom, we did have a nice recovery rally of about 83%. Now, we did form this symmetrical pennant, and we did break that to the downside. Now, we are using the $1.80 level as demand. If I show you on a 4-hour chart, this definitely is an area where you would expect price to find support. I can also drop a horizontal line across, and we can see that that was the top of the range when we were forming that basing structure after the large correction of around, I believe it was 63 or 70% from the top down to the bottom over here at $1.20. So we have found support. In the meantime, right now, price has slowed its cascade down. Now, I can pull a fib from the swing high down to the swing low and see that that is right at the 50% retracement where price is currently at. We also have some levels down here at $1.67 at the golden pocket, 61.8% retracement, as well as $1.46 and $1.33 in terms of a retracement of this current move. Now, we'll see what happens given the current market conditions. It is fairly uncertain in the market, but I personally do believe that Bitcoin has found its bottom. I don't think we go lower than $33,000 on Bitcoin, but it could be very choppy and volatile before price really does start its breakout to the upside and its next leg up in the overall macro bull cycle that I personally do believe we are still currently in. So we could go in some kind of range here on Phantasma SOUL. Right, we're already kind of bouncing up and down. We'll see if we do continue to bounce up and down like so. So I wouldn't necessarily be looking for a trade. I would simply outline price levels where I would look to dollar cost average in. So I did show you those Fibonacci retracement levels. We also have this bottom down here at about $1.35 down to $1.20. Definitely a great area on the chart, given that we've already been up as high as $4 about. Right, $1.25 is a nice discount from that all-time high. And then if these structure lows do end up breaking for whatever reason, down here at $1.25, your next level is sub $1, 98 cents, down to about 78 cents. This is your next buy zone. Not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. If you do decide to invest, of course, you should definitely do your own research. Now let's talk about price prediction for Phantasma. Where can it go in the future? How much potential does it actually have? So right now, Phantasma has a market cap of $189 million. Now, if we compare this to some of the top gaming, studio gaming cryptos out there, first one that comes to mind is Gala Games. Gala Games right now is sitting at around rank number 50 in market cap. If I can find it right here, rank number 58. So Gala currently has a $2.3 billion market cap. If Phantasma does reach Gala's current market cap, we're talking about an 11x gain to $22.38. Now, I do believe that play-to-earn crypto gaming will have a huge year in 2022. I personally believe that the bull cycle will continue. I don't think it's necessarily over, that we're going to enter into a prolonged bear market here. So I think as long as market conditions stay fair this year in 2022, I do think it's possible for Phantasma to reach as high as a $1 to $2 billion market cap. Now, the rising tide would raise all ships. So if Phantasma goes to 1 to 2 billion, I would expect Gala to raise higher than a $2.3 billion market cap as well. But I do believe Phantasma can 5 to 10x this year in 2022. So the Phantasma Chain is a proof-of-stake Layer 1 blockchain built from the ground up, designed specifically for gaming, and the SOUL coin is used for governance as well as staking. If you stake your SOUL, you get rewarded in KCal, which is the energy that you use to power all of your transactions on the Phantasma Chain. I want to hear from you now. What do you think about Phantasma? Are you bullish or bearish on Phantasma SOUL, as well as crypto gaming as a whole? Leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you let me know by leaving a like down below. And if you're not already subscribed to Crypto Empire, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.